Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about the spelling rules for regular verbs when forming the simple past tense. Let's begin with the key points. What is the simple past tense? Forming the simple past tense with regular verbs. Rule 1. Verbs ending with E. Rule 2. Verbs ending with consonant plus Y. Rule 3. Short verbs that have one vowel between two consonants. Practice examples. Practice examples with sentences. Summary. What is the simple past tense? The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that are already completed, and we know when these actions finished. For example, I played football yesterday. She worked late last night. See how these actions happened and finished in the past. Forming the simple past tense. For regular verbs, forming the past tense is easy. You just add E and D to the base form of the verb. Let's look at some examples. Look becomes looked. Walk becomes walked. Let's say these words together. Look, looked. Walk, walked. Great job. Rule 1. Verbs ending with E. Now let's learn the rules for forming the past tense for all regular verbs. Our first rule is simple. If the verb ends in E, you just add D to form the past tense. Here are some examples. Move becomes moved. Love becomes loved. Let's say these together. Move, moved. Love, loved. Easy, right? Rule 2. Verbs ending with consonant plus Y. Now let's look at verbs that end in a consonant plus Y. For these verbs, you change Y to I, and then add E and D. Let's see some examples. Study becomes studied. Cry becomes cried. Say these with me. Study, studied. Cry, cried. Great job. Rule 3. Short verbs that have one vowel between two consonants. Finally, let's talk about short verbs with a consonant-vowel consonant. For these verbs, you double the last consonant before adding E and D. Examples. Stop becomes stopped. Plan becomes planned. Now repeat after me. Stop, stopped. Plan, planned. Well done. Practice examples. Let's practice together. Ready? First word, arrive. Arrived. Second word, carry. Carried. Third word, plan. Planned. Practice examples with sentences. Now, let's practice forming the past tense, then use the verb in a sentence. Ready? First word, marry. Remember Rule 2. Change the Y to I and add E and D. What's the past tense? Married. They married last year in a small ceremony. Now let's try drop. This one follows Rule 3. Double the final consonant and add E and D. What's the past tense? Dropped. She dropped her phone on the floor. Last one. Stop. Apply Rule 3 again. What's the past tense? Stopped I stopped the car at the red light. Summary. Let's quickly review what we've learned. For verbs ending in E, just add D. Bake, baked. For verbs ending in a consonant plus Y, change Y to I and add E and D. Study, studied. For short verbs with a consonant-vowel consonant, double the last consonant and add E and D. Stop, stopped. These rules will help you spell past tense verbs correctly every time. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.